dump the shrimp in the air fryer. Hello friends, now I will show you how to cook frozen shrimp in a Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. So no need to defrost the shrimp, it's cooking it straight from frozen, so it's frozen solid. I love the air fryer that you don't need to defrost things separately. It really makes life easier. So let's take out the air fryer bowl, open the package of frozen shrimp, and dump the shrimp in the air fryer. Now this one is frozen cooked shrimp. You can cook frozen cooked shrimp or frozen raw shrimp. Just for raw shrimp you need some extra time, but for this one, put the bowl in the air fryer, and I will turn on the air fryer, and I will use air fry mode. I'll set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious shrimp. It looks amazing. It's perfectly cooked. I do recommend using instant read thermometer just to make sure the internal temperature is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, it's over 145. So that's good. And if it's not totally cooked, just put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. How quickly it cooks, it really depends on the size of the shrimp. The smaller ones cook quicker. Now this shrimp was frozen cooked shrimp, so really what we're trying to do is just defrost it and heat it up. If it was frozen raw shrimp, I would use the 10 minutes as the cooking time, because not only does it have to defrost, it also has to cook. But as always recommend instant read thermometer just to make sure everything is cooked correctly. I will season the frozen shrimp after cooking because seasonings don't stick well to frozen. So since now it's fully cooked, it's the best time to season. Use seasonings of your choice. I'll drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil. You can also use melted butter. It goes well with it. And I'll sprinkle the salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And let's toss. And it's ready. So let's now take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good it looks. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Simply delicious. Perfectly cooked shrimp, so juicy and moist. This is amazing and so easy, no defrosting needed. Once you try cooking shrimp in the air fryer, you'll never want to make it any other way. So easy and so delicious. Please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for lots and lots of easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!